Good morning students, welcome to online class subject mathematics. Our topic is chapter number 3, that is rational numbers as decimals. We will learn how we can convert rational numbers into decimals. So there are two methods. First is by making the denominator 10 or power of 10. We have already done this method in worksheet 1, but you have to take care that this method is only applicable when prime factorization has factors 2 or 5 or both. Now second method is by long division. By long division method means we simply divide the numerator by denominator. For example, if we have to represent 7/8 in decimal form, so we divide the numerator, that is 7 by 8. Before using the method long division, we have to know types of decimal expansions of rational numbers. Means when we represent any rational numbers into decimals, there are two types. First one is terminating decimals. Terminating decimals means that comes to an end, means the remainder is 0 after a certain process. Second is non-terminating but repeating. It means that the expansion that does not comes to an end but repeating again and again. We can better explain or understand this concept with the help of example. Express 5/8 into decimal using long division. So we divide the numerator, that is 5 by 8. Now 8 is greater than 5, so we put a point in the quotient as well as in the dividend and then add 0 to dividend. Now 8 6 are 48, then 2 0, 8 2s are 16, then 8 5s are 40. Then you can see 5/8 is equals to quotient, that is 0.625. You can see the remainder is 0 at certain stage, so the process ends 0.625. There are finite decimal places, so this is terminating decimals. Now non-terminating decimals. Express 1/3 in decimal form. To represent 1/3 in decimal, we divide 1 by 3, and when we divide 1 by 3, you can see remainder 1 repeats again and again and 3 repeats in the quotient. So decimal form of 1/3 is 0.333 and so on. You can see 3 repeats itself. So this decimal expansion is non-terminating, means it does not end but repeating itself. Now the digit 3 is repeated again and again, so we can write it as 3 bar. We put a symbol, this 3 bar. So 1/3 is equals to 0.3 bar. It means 3 repeats again and again. So this is non-terminating but repeating decimals. Now decimal expansion of a negative rational number. First example is -5/4. Represent this rational number into decimal form. So first of all we ignore the negative sign. So we find the decimal form of 5/4, and we know decimal form of 5/4 is 1.25. So minus 5/4 is equals to minus 1.25. We just put a negative sign in the answer. Hope you understand the methods and types of decimals. Thank you and have a good day.